The best investors are usually boring. Look at Warren Buffett. I used to think successful investors were making big moves every single day between buying, selling, running options, finding the next big winner, checking the market every 5 minutes. And the longer I've been invested, the more I realize the exact opposite is true. The best investors are usually the most boring people in the room. Nobody's going to post a video saying, oh, I bought the same ETFs and index funds this week. Nobody gets excited because someone made another contribution to their taxable account. All that stuff is boring. But boring is exactly what builds wealth. When I first started investing, I wanted action. I wanted to feel like I was doing something in the investing world. So I watched the news, I read all the opinions, I looked for the next big opportunity. Every day felt like I needed to make a decision. And looking back, I was confusing activity with progress. And experience changed that for me. And the experience became knowledge. And when that knowledge turns to wisdom, and wisdom taught me that the less I react, the better I do. Today, my system is so simple. Every week I invest. Some weeks the market is up. Some weeks it's down. Some weeks everybody's thinking the future is so optimistic. Some weeks everybody is predicting the next crash. My response stays the same every single week, no matter what. I make my contribution and I move on with my life. And the funny thing is, that sounds boring until you fast forward 10 years. Then suddenly everyone asks, how did you build wealth? They only see the result. They never see the hundreds of ordinary decisions that created it. Because social media is teaching excitement. Real investing is teaching patience. Social media teaches you speed, how to get rich overnight. Real investing teaches you consistency. Social media wants to teach you shortcuts. Experience teaches you there are no shortcuts. That's why I don't spend my time looking for the next big stock. I spend my time improving my habits because habits compound just like money. This channel isn't about making investing look exciting. It's about making investing simple enough that you can actually stick with it, because that's what most people are missing. Not the intelligence and probably not even the money. They're missing a repeatable system. And if your investing feels boring, you're probably doing something right. And if you're just getting started, don't chase the excitement, build the habits, because one day you'll realize the people who quietly repeated the same process for years were the ones who built the wealth everyone else was chasing. Stop chasing and start building. Remember, stay disciplined and consistent.